Why is the USA interested in creating a new country in Africa? This country in the African continent, Somalia, was once a united nation. However, in 1991, its northern region declared independence and is now known as Somaliland. Somaliland now has its own government, currency, military, and manages its own diplomatic relations, functioning as an independent state. Despite all these, Somaliland's claim to independence remains unrecognized by any country internationally. Its separation from Somalia was driven by several factors. Somalia has a long history of political instability, with civil wars and authoritarian rule. The collapse of Siad Barre's regime in 1991 caused chaos and the breakdown of the central government. In the resulting power vacuum, the northern region, feeling abandoned, declared its independence, leading to the emergence of Somaliland as a self-governing entity seeking stability and security. That's why the USA is interested in Somaliland, due to its strategic location near the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, a key shipping route connecting the Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden. This allows the US to monitor all activities between the Middle East and Asia. With this advantage, there's a strong chance that if Donald Trump returns to power, he may push for Somaliland's international recognition.